If you're experiencing issues with a Call of Duty update getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Restart your console or PC. Begin by completely shutting down your gaming console or PC. Wait for a few moments and then power it back on. This can clear temporary glitches that may be causing the update to stall. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, clear the cache by holding the power button until the system shuts down, then unplug it for a few minutes. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game files and deleting the cache folder if applicable. Step 4. Pause and resume the update. Go to the game update section and pause the update. Wait a few moments, then resume it. This can sometimes kickstart the update process and resolve any issues. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the update continues to be stuck, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This will ensure that you have the latest version and can often resolve persistent update issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the update getting stuck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.